Looking to carve pumpkins without the stress? Here are 20 easy pumpkin carving ideas, beginner-friendly, fast to make, and perfect to decorate your table, porch, or cozy fall corner. No fancy tools needed. Just grab a pumpkin, light a candle, and let's get carving. Classic jack-o'-lantern. Triangle eyes, a triangle nose, and a wide, toothy smile. A design so timeless that it has become the very symbol of Halloween itself. Simple to carve, yet full of character, this pumpkin instantly brings the nostalgic charm of autumn nights. Place it on a rustic wooden table or your front porch. Let a warm candlelight glow from within and watch as it welcomes trick-or-treaters and guests alike. The flickering light dancing through its familiar features creates an atmosphere that is both festive and inviting, making it a must-have centerpiece for any seasonal display. 2. Friendly, smiling face. With large round eyes and a soft, curved smile, this design feels like a warm handshake on a chilly autumn evening. It's a pumpkin that doesn't try to scare. Instead, it greets everyone with kindness. Perfect for family-friendly gatherings or for households with young children. This carving is quick to make and instantly brightens up a table or entryway. Add a gentle LED candle inside for a steady, welcoming glow that lasts all night without the worry of an open flame. 3. Surprised expression. 2 big round eyes and a wide open O-shaped mouth give this pumpkin a personality that's both humorous and charming. It's the kind of design that makes guests stop and smile, wondering what could have startled it. Easy to carve with simple shapes, this design works beautifully on both small and medium pumpkins. Set it on a coffee table or kitchen counter, and it will become a conversation starter for anyone who passes by. Number 4. Big Tooth Grin. A grin full of chunky, square teeth framed by triangular eyes makes this pumpkin look bold and playful. The best part, those big teeth are fast to carve and forgiving of small mistakes, perfect for beginners. Add a warm yellow or even a soft orange light inside, and the grin will stand out in the dim glow of evening. It's equally suited for indoor decoration or a cheerful welcome outside your front door. Number 5. Crooked funny face. 1 large eye, 1 small eye, and a tilted grin give this pumpkin a quirky, mischievous personality. It's the sort of carving that feels like it's in on a private joke. The uneven features make it extremely forgiving to carve, and the result is full of character. This one looks fantastic on a side table with a plaid table runner paired with a mug of hot cider nearby for a cozy autumn vibe. 6. Large star cutout. A single bold star cut right into the face of the pumpkin allows the candlelight to shine like a beacon. The shape is easy to draw and carve, making it a great project for kids and adults alike. When placed on a dining table, the light spills out in a simple yet magical pattern. Try pairing it with smaller pumpkins or tea lights around the base for a layered decorative effect. 7. Heart shape. A heart carved into the front of a pumpkin might not be traditional Halloween fare, but it adds a tender, unexpected touch to autumn decor. This design works especially well for harvest weddings, anniversary dinners, or any event where warmth and affection are in the air. A soft glow inside the pumpkin turns the heart into a glowing symbol of love, perfect for intimate, candlelit evenings. Number 8, Crescent Moon. A slim, curved moon cutout brings a calm, dreamy quality to your display. It's simple to carve, but creates a beautiful shape when lit from within. This design pairs wonderfully with star-shaped mini pumpkins placed nearby, creating a night sky theme. Place it on the mantle or near a window, and the moonlight from inside will echo the one outside. 9. Plus sign. Minimalist and geometric, the plus sign is one of the easiest designs to carve, yet it stands out when illuminated. Its clean lines work well in modern decor schemes or paired with other geometric shapes for a contemporary autumn look. Use a bright LED candle to emphasize the crisp, clear shape against the pumpkin's warm orange skin. Number 10, arrow shape. A bold arrow cutout makes for a fun, directional decoration, pointed toward your front door, the snack table, or wherever you want guests to gather. It's easy to carve and works well for themed parties. When lit, the arrow stands out sharply in the dark, guiding visitors like a glowing signpost. Number 11, simple bat silhouette. Wings outstretched, a bat silhouette brings a classic Halloween icon to your decor without overwhelming detail. This carving works well on smaller pumpkins too, making it versatile for various display sizes. The bat's shadow, cast by the inner light, adds an extra layer of drama to walls or table surfaces nearby. Number 12, sitting cat. A smooth, simple outline of a cat with a curled tail creates an air of mystery and elegance. It's an easy shape to carve, yet instantly recognizable. Perfect for pairing with other spooky elements like candles or dark fabric runners, this pumpkin adds a sophisticated touch to your autumn decorations. Number 13, maple leaf. Nothing says fall like the shape of a maple leaf glowing in warm candlelight. The leaf's natural symmetry makes it simple to trace and cut, and the result captures the beauty of the season. Place it alongside other natural elements, pine fronds, acorns, and dried flowers for a cohesive seasonal centerpiece. 14. Owl silhouette. Big round eyes and a perched body make for an owl that's as charming as it is easy to carve. Owls carry a certain wisdom in their symbolism, making this design perfect for autumn nights filled with storytelling. Set it near bookshelves or in a reading nook for a thematic touch. Number 15, simple spider. A round body with straight legs. That's all you need for this approachable Halloween design. It's easy, quick, and pairs well with web-like tablecloths or string decorations. When the inner candle glows, the spider comes alive in a harmless but striking way. Number 16, haunted house. Crooked roof lines, square windows, and maybe a little door. This design feels like a miniature Halloween world inside your pumpkin. Even without intricate details, it's full of atmosphere. Position it at the center of a table with smaller pumpkins and tea lights for a haunted village effect. Number 17, robot face, easy carving. Not every pumpkin needs to look spooky. Some can look mechanical. The robot face is one of the easiest yet most playful designs to carve. 2 square eyes, a straight line mouth, and maybe a little bolt shape on each side. With just a few basic cuts, this pumpkin takes on a personality all its own, friendly, quirky, and a little retro. It's especially perfect for homes with children or anyone who loves a modern twist on tradition. Place it on a coffee table, desk, or beside tech-themed decorations. Once the candle is lit inside, the robot glows like it's powered by curiosity, bringing a charming contrast to the natural tones of autumn. Simple ghost, an oval body with 2 round eyes, this ghost is more friendly than frightening. Its approachable design makes it perfect for children's parties or community events. Place it on a table surrounded by candy bowls, and it becomes part of the fun. Number 19, mini castle. Small towers and rectangular windows form a castle that glows like a fairy tale fortress. Even without tiny details, it captures the magic of old stories. Pair it with other medieval themes decorations for a unique twist on pumpkin carving. Number 20, one-eyed monster. One large circular eye and a wide, grinning mouth give this pumpkin a silly, playful character. It's impossible to look at without smiling. The simplicity makes it an excellent first project for beginners, and the result is pure fun for both kids and adults. And that's it. 20 easy pumpkin carving ideas to brighten your fall season. Sometimes all it takes is a small spark of creativity and a pumpkin waiting to shine. Whether you choose something spooky, sweet, or just simple, let your creation reflect you. Because decorating isn't about perfection, it's about feeling at home in the season. If this video gave you a little inspiration for your next cozy project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss more fall ideas coming your way. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy carving and happy fall!